Three. The play Oedipus Rex begins in the city of Thebes, which is suffering from a terrible plague. The citizens gather before the palace of King Oedipus, pleading for his health. O great Oedipus, ruler of my land, see how our people are dying in the streets. The city is filled with wailing and mourning. You saved us from Sphinx once before. Now save us again from this plague.
My children, why do you sit here with such grief? I grieve for all of you, but now, but know that I have already sent Creon, my brother-in-law, to Oracle of Apollo.
I bring the words of Apollo. The god commands us to drive out to the pollution from this land. We must find the murderer of King Laius, the former king of Thebes, and bring him to justice.
Then I shall do everything in my power to find this killer. Let all who know something speak now.
Determined to uncover the truth, Oedipus calls upon the blind prophet Tiresias to reveal the identity of the killer. However, the answers Oedipus receives will only add to this moment.
Tiresias, you have the power of the prophecy. Tell me, who is the murderer of Laos? Ah, how terrible! It is to have wisdom when it does no good. I know the truth, but I shall not speak. What? You you know and refuse to tell? Speak now, old man. You dare speak such lies to me? You conspire against me? I say you are living in unknowing shame. You have killed your own father and married your mother.
Oedipus, unwilling to believe Tiresias, continues his search for the truth. He summons a shepherd who once served King Larius, hoping to clear his name. But fate is cruel and the truth unavoidable.
Tell me the truth. Who was the child you gave away long ago? The child of Laos, you, O king. You were the one who killed your father and married your mother. O light, may I never see you again. Curse the man who was born to such fate.
Oedipus, I shall now rule in your stead. You shall be exiled as the oracle commanded.
Let me go. I am the pollution of this land. I curse the fate that made me king.
So ends the tragic tale of Oedipus, a man who tried to defy fate only to become a victim of his own destiny. His story serves as a timeless reminder that no man can escape the wills of God.
And I am Alfonso.
And I am Thomas Lipata.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.